Among the world's wealthiest individuals, there's a unique and shared passion for collecting classic cars that goes beyond mere hobby. This fascination often serves as both a personal indulgence and a wise investment strategy due to the appreciation in value of rare automobiles. Figures like Jay Leno and Ralph Lauren have amassed collections worth tens of millions, showcasing models from iconic brands such as Ferrari, Bugatti, and Aston Martin. These private collections are more than symbols of status. They are reflections of personal taste and historical appreciation, often open to the public through museums or exhibitions. Beyond their intrinsic value, each car tells a story of design marvel and engineering achievement, emblematic of an era's innovation.